Mine screwed it up. You were in it right from the beginning, but man, 2 laps to go. That 5.5 hill climb about did you in.
Yeah, I got out front early and then got to the XC1 guys fast and got behind Ben, and me and him were riding together pretty much all day, honestly. And then I'm like, I can't lose him because I know he's going to be a fight at the end of the race. And I actually got behind him and made the move on him about maybe 3 miles into the second to last lap. And me and him were riding together again. We were riding both really good, and I made a mistake and got stuck, took a bad line and lost a bunch of time. Went back to like 5th in XC1, and then picked the guys off and got behind Stu right at the end here. And I clipped his rear wheel right about a quarter mile back, and I crashed. And I'm like, oh no, that's it. But Ben crashed in the same turn as me last lap, so it helped me out, I guess.
8 rounds down, 5 to go. We're heading to Snowshoe on the hard road near the overall points leader.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick. I can't wait.
Nice shot there, man.
Thank you.
And it was down to you and the kid again on a track like that. It was definitely about who made the least amount of mistakes, and you both made mistakes all day long, and it was close right to the end.
Yeah, freaking annoying, that's for sure. It's just like, it's so hard when you're out front, and like, because the nasty spots, it's like you want to be cautious a little because you're out front, you got the lead, but you can't because you know he's like coming behind you, but you really don't know how close. So yeah, is what it is. Worked my way up through the pack, and had a pretty good battle with Stu, but once I got around him, I like charged pretty hard and was making good time, but Grant still caught me, got by me that second to last lap, and about halfway through that he kind of bottleneck on the hill, and I got by him and put some good time on him, but then Stu caught him past me, so I was behind him for like a lap. We were battling, and yeah, I got by him late and was just charging, like it was within 10 seconds that overall, and man, it was down to like 2 or something, and I crashed like right before the finish, but I guess Grant did too at the same spot. But yeah, I mean, I rode really good, just got to clean up some stuff, and we got to be better in the beginning, but yeah, just missed that overall, so that's what it is. Try again at Snowshoe.
Snowshoe, where you and him are starting dead even, so there's no guessing as to who crossed that line first and who's going to win this thing.
Yeah, I'm pumped for that. It's going to be good. Tactics are going to be a little bit more normal, so yeah, pumped on that, ready for another battle.
Good job.
Thanks.
Well, unfortunately, no 3 in a row on the whole shot, but so you had to work from the back right from the beginning. But those tricky spots, the hill climbing, the mud holes, that really shaped the race today.
Yeah, there was definitely a lot of carnage out there today. Just really had to pay attention and make sure that you put yourself in good lines. And honestly, BK and I started at the back, and I think it was kind of an advantage today. We could see mistakes made in front of us, but yeah, just made a mistake there once I got in the lead, got by Ben, and I think we had about a lap and a half to go, and then had a lapper just messed me up. Same thing happened to Grant the lap before. I knew that he was definitely down a good ways, and I was like, man, I can probably push and get away, but yeah, I went down, covered my glove in mud, and after that it was all I could do to hold on. So part of it. Yeah, thanks.
From the Parts Unlimited, Mason Dixon, GNCC, Grant Davis, Ben Kelly, and Stu Baylor, 1, 2, and 3. Oh, yep, just got the notification, folks. It's official. We got a 100% chance of champagne showers. We're popping bottles. Wait for it. Now we're popping bottles here at the Parts Unlimited, Mason Dixon, GNCC, Grant Davis, Ben Kelly, and Stu Baylor. Oh, and there it is. The kid gets the shower. That's what happens when you're an overall winner.